Now it's time to take the keyboard out and then see about cleaning this case. Here we go. There we have it. It is absolutely filthy. You can probably see in there. This is going to require, well, I'm going to blow it out and vacuum it out, and then every single key is coming off there and is getting washed. And then we'll see where we are from there. With that, I have the case. Interesting how it's shiny on the inside. It's new. From the old Apple II. The Apple II was the same color inside and out. And I just have to remove all of these clips probably before I wash it, or maybe not. Yeah, they don't want to go anywhere, so maybe I'll just leave them there. And go from there.